Yeah, that's true.
Protect the furnace at all costs.
But I have reached the point where I can't see this boss anymore. Like, I'm watching on it, and I'm like, can you die?
Motherfucker.
Please, can you die?
3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs.
I mean, we can't protect the furnace at all costs all the time, right? They can't. They have to eventually die. To give up. Oh! Look at the burst. This is real life. This is the kill. This is the kill, I'm telling you. This has to be the kill.
Shit.
Releasing in 2 seconds. Releasing now.
Exits. All together already. Yes. Don't move them too early, Jonas.
Releasing in 2 seconds. Releasing now.
Last operator coming. Now.
Turn up the heat, boys. We'll sweat 'em out.
It's getting released. Now.
Don't use it, Hesse. I've closed it.
Yeah, no, I wasn't planning on it.
I'm stunning.
Suck him, I don't have one.
Barriers up on blue.
Use mind control already.
We have it under control.
Stack up already. Mind control already? Do it?
Yes.
On what?
But very
There's
low
one
health
really
and they died.
There's still one really low. Get it quick.
I'll waste too much to do this now.
New guard is here.
Use cooldowns, everyone. Get the fire quarters together. Fire quarters out. Target. Cross and skull. Moving with the fixate already. Follow the fire as well. Get away from me. Yeah, skull is target. Kill the fire caller and go for the slag. Slag now, quick kill it. Skull, everyone, YOLO it. Dot up already on the primal. It's exploding, get ready. Nuke.
Dispel.
Swap to fire call already. It's fire caller, go. They're in the middle. Next leg to the middle as well, go. Whoever has it, just go there.
Targeting the guard.
Yeah, it's the guard.
There's a low one. Nick that has it.
I mind. Interrupted.
Inter, you have
Perfect. Kill
fixed
it, kill it.
It's too far.
No, it's
That's not-
perfect. Go kill it. I have next fixate. Kill fire callers after. All on fire callers now. Kill them.
Toretto VG.
Okay, move to the other side.
I think
I
this is the
fixate
fourth
him.
guard. I'm gonna need some killing.
Oh, mine died. Fuck. Monster has one. Kick one. Skull. Skull. Go. Kick it. Kick it. Kick it. Chain kick it. One more. Kill it. Fire callers on top of it. If there's some.
Yeah, get the fire colors now.
Nuke the
Guards are
primal.
fine.
Everyone.
Aiming.
Kill the fire callers. Next leg on top of it. Quick. There's already one. Skull. Kill it.
They're in shield.
Yeah,
Actually, safe cooldown for the last.
it's in shield. I can tell it because I'm never gonna die.
There's a behind. Kill that one. Kill Skull. All on primal now. Stack up, back on, and then kill primal. Dispel, perfect. Kill fire target. Second one as well. Get them back on top of the other one, quick. There's Skull is marked. Go move it. Clear Skull, quick, quick, quick before the fire callers come. Put the fire callers on top of it.
They're up.
Last potion, cooldown, everything.
Good.
Perfect.
Position. People with elementals go to the wall and spread out.
I have echo from some.
The rest stack up under the boss. Can we have some healing cooldown? Pick up the healing.
Fire caller, Skull mark, quick hit it.
Melds around to the back. Kill the fire caller.
I'm getting
Okay,
sick.
fix it out, all on the boss.
Jonas, how many stacks you? Stunting.
Done, done.
Stones.
Fixates out, whoever's in the group, move the fuck out.
Boss shield.
Shield affects the boss, yes.
We have to move.
Prepare. Get him up.
Sack me.
I have it. Go the boss. Have stones.
Progress.
As he move. Move the boss, move the boss.
Going. Fox.
Don't fuck up the males.
Please hero again for me. Blast, bloodlust.
Fixates out, whoever's in there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I have to move with the boss.
Yeah, move. We need one
Well
cooldown,
done.
I think.
Toretto VG. Or actually, Greg, give me yours now.
Melts.
Move the boss more.
Going.
Healing time in 10 seconds.
Cooldown, 3 minute cooldown now back up. Use them, use them, use them.
Healing touch first now.
It's used now.
I will have AM in 10 seconds.
Sec me if you have it.
You have it.
Move, move, move.
Move, yeah,
AM
move the boss.
AM
Next
on the
box.
neck.
Monsters melt.
I don't know my
I've
name.
got big cooldowns. I'm fine. Kill the raid.
Running cry.
AM up.
Personals.
Move.
Move. Melt desired. Melt desired. Melt desired.
Was already.
It's on me. It's fine.
I
Down.
didn't put it.
You can go to the corner. Use
It's
cookies,
dead.
person.
Kill it.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, yes.
Kill it! Kill it! Yes! GG!
We're so good at this game, boys.
Thank you, Jokul. Mate.
What the fuck?
He is with me in this group doing heroics. He was AFK in the middle of Maiden's fight.
Could you imagine
my
the
God,
comments he would
this
give
boss.
during
Good
progress
job,
on this
guys.
fight?
Really nice. Everyone, good job.
Holy
Really
shit.
nice. You focused up. It's really good.
Okay, nice. 10
Fuck you.
10 more minutes of Witcher. Fuck off.
No, now we go Black
Maidens.
Hand. Fuck you.
Maidens.
Go watch them.
Oh, actually, that's
No,
not.
not today, we have 10 minutes. So.